Welcome to another edition of Repair Clips. Today we are going to talk about leaking dishwashers. This one is leaking at the water inlet valve, as I will show you in a couple of clips. Here you can see the hot water line threaded into an angle connector brass fitting. The white plastic above is a water inlet valve, which is the culprit of our leak. The water inlet valve comes with an electrical solenoid that opens and closes or actuates the valve. You can see the control wires plugged in the solenoid. Closed, no hot water gets to the dishwasher. Open, and the dishwasher fills up with hot water. A dishwasher is not supposed to sound like this. As you can see, once the hot water tap was turned on, the dishwasher valve started to leak water. The valve is leaking from the solenoid, and the whole valve needs to be replaced. The valve comes on a mounting bracket. To replace the valve, just disconnect the hoses held on by typical hose clamps. Unscrew the bolts holding the valve bracket to the dishwasher. Reverse this to mount the new valve. A new valve shouldn't cost more than $80 online. By the way, this was a Sears Kenmore dishwasher. We won't be changing out the valve this time, since we don't trust these cheap valves. Unfortunately, our laminate floor was damaged and needs to be replaced. We will be putting in a Bosch dishwasher that has water leak protection that will hopefully prevent any future kitchen floor water damage. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repairs.